This is our Boom Moto Fat 20 IL. We call it the IL because the battery is in the inline part of the bike. It's got some cool features. You can open it up on this right here. You pull this lever, pull out, and the bike will open up, and it shows you where the battery is. Use this key here. You can slide the battery out, and that's awesome. You can also charge it if you want to without taking the battery out against this port right there. Some cool features about the bike. I'm already showing you halfway what it folds down to. You can also take the handlebars down. Here, it comes like this, and it folds down. Something that you can fit into the back of your car, truck. I haven't found a trunk yet that it doesn't fit. So that's an awesome feature. Great handlebar, locks up. With the inline, you have a little bit more water resistance since the battery is protected. Now the other cool feature we have on this bike is how much control you have of the bike itself. You turn the controller on, and we have a full YouTube tutorial and PDF we'll send you. But to change and adjust the different settings, you go to the PO system, and you see all of these different PO systems, and we'll send you a full video to help explain that. But it will help you change the pedal assist mode, how fast it can go, the speed limit, has all sorts of cool features, and so you can look through that. We'll click this off, go back to the main screen. To turn the light on, you hold the top screen, and the light will turn on so you can ride at night. And then if you're ever in a situation where you need to walk for a little bit but you don't want to push the bike, this has a cool feature called Assist Walk. It's the bottom button. Now if you're not ready for it, some people get a little shocked, so try not to hit this button on accident, but you hold this button and the bike will start to walk with you. Max range, 40 to 50 miles on the battery, of course with pedals, as far as you can pedal it, and it goes about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Come check it out.